Hey everyone, this is Cybertruck that we just finished up. We did our Autobahn i3 multi-layer ceramic all the way around on this. We did 15% on the front two windows. Looks really dark on a gloomy day. And then we did 40% over top of the rear factory tint to kind of give it a nice match and just darken it up a little bit. And then on the back window, it's hard to tell, but there is tint over top of that, right there. And then the biggest part of this job is the windshield. We did our i3 56 on the whole windshield, which looks really nice. Blocks out a bunch of heat, tones down the glare a little bit, and it's not too dark at night usually. That's what we did on it. So turned out pretty good. Thank you.